How to set camera aspect ratio to 16:9 on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the icon as shown. From here, tap on the aspect icon to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. After that, tap on the capture button to take a photo. As you can see, the 5-second timer is currently on. You can now take a photo in the 16:9 aspect ratio. Tap on the media at the bottom left corner to view the photo you just took. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily set camera aspect ratio to 16:9 on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.